Central Park, as far as meteorological winter is concerned, which is just December, January, and February, third warmest on record at Central Park, 4.3 degrees above normal. We had a high of 62 on February 28th and also on December 18th. The lowest we got was on January 17th with a temperature of 17 degrees. Precipitation above normal for the season, but not in the snow category. You need two to tango. You need cold to go along with those snow chances. We had the storms, folks, but we did not have the snow, as evidenced by the 7.5 inches that accumulated in Central Park for the season. And I think that, barring a miracle here in terms of snow, I personally think that we are done for 2023-10-24. Some of you will be cheering out there with that prediction. Now, as far as today's temperatures are concerned, gorgeous day, a real spring fling, if you will. Temperatures will be about 10 degrees cooler for the rest of the week, but still above average for this time of year. With places in and around New York City flirting with 70 degrees today. So get out there and enjoy it while you can. It is a gorgeous day. We're going to be dealing with a lot of rain across the tri-state area for the balance of the week, but these above normal temperatures are here to stay. If you look at the 2-meter temperatures, when we pull up, this is the way it looks for the lower 48 states. This is, as a whole, and these 2-meter temperatures just stay warm throughout the next 7 to 10 days. Yes, they come down a little bit around the 11th of March, but look at this, right after that, they come right back up again, and it's not just us, it's basically everywhere east of the Mississippi River. Now, with the warmth, there's going to be a bit of a trade-off. We are going to see a decent amount of precipitation. Now, yesterday we got about an inch of rain. It was a miserable day across the tri-state area, and more rain is going to come in 3 separate chances, it looks like, throughout the course of the week. And when you total it all up, this is what the Weather Prediction Center has. They have us getting about 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain, not counting what we got yesterday. So it is going to be a warm, wet week across the tri-state area, and the warmth, again, is relative to the averages. So, you have to keep that in mind. Now, when we look at the day-to-day off the GFS, we have a gorgeous day today. Get out there and enjoy it, and it is a delightful gem in a week where we're going to see a lot of unsettled conditions, despite the fact that we will be on the warmer side of things. So tomorrow night, we have a low pressure area that moves in, and this is going to spell a little bit of rain for us on Tuesday, kind of a dreary day. Not really much in the way of rain. It looks like maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch at best, and then that gets out of here. But that sets the stage for another system, and this one looks like it's more loaded with moisture. I think we'll get through most of the day, at least half the day on Wednesday, with just arriving clouds and not really much happening. But then rain moves in the night, and this is going to last most of the day, Thursday. This is going to take time to play itself out on Thursday. So we're going to be left with a raw, rainy day. I think we'll pick up easily a 1/2 inch to 1 inch as this kind of meanders off the coast. I don't think it'll be a nor'easter type of situation, but it'll be a raw, rainy day with temperatures in the 50s. And then that goes off. We get a break on Friday, and most of the day is Saturday. But then by Saturday night, more rain comes in, and Sunday could be the exact opposite of today. We're talking Sunday, March 10th, and that's the day that we spring ahead with the clocks. So don't forget to change your clock this weekend, or you're going to be late to everything. And it'll take time, of course, to get all that straightened out. Our bodies have to adjust to that, and it does take a day or two. Now, this storm system for Sunday looks like it wants to linger a little bit. Now, this run of the GFS, it has a storm just sitting off the coast. That's not what the other model runs are doing, so we'll just have to see how that all plays out. If it did do that, by next Monday, we would still be dealing with wind and maybe a little bit of on and off rain, but I think the storm will play through quicker, like the Thursday system, so that we're not really dealing with these strong gale force winds that's depicted on this version of the GFS. And then next week, at least for the in the medium to long range, is looking a lot drier than this current week. So we'll probably get a break in the rain department as far as that goes for next week, but not this week. This week's going to be some rough patches with the rain, especially Thursday and then again Saturday night into Sunday. We already looked at today's temperatures. This is tomorrow. Highs around 60. And that's well above normal for this time of year. We should be still in the low to mid 40s. Tuesday with some kind of like pesky rain, I would call it, 52. Wednesday, arriving clouds and then rain at night, 57. Thursday, much of the day, we are dealing with rain with highs only around 50. And then Friday, the rain gets out of here. We get a little bit of a break before another shot moves in with highs around 50. And Saturday, with those arriving clouds, could be on the cooler side with highs only around 47. So, yes, some stuff to deal with as far as inclement weather this week. Yesterday was kind of a preview of what's going to turn out to be a wet week, it looks like, across the area. Take advantage of the breaks when you can, and we'll try to just muddle through. But at least the temperatures are on the warm side for this time of year, and I don't see that letting go anytime soon as we roll into March.